Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I will be doing a desk tour along with cleaning my desk and reorganizing and wanting to share some tips with you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely stay to the end so you can see the after. So I'm going to show you guys the process and I'll take you along for the tour at the end of the video, so stay tuned. The first thing I do is grab a trash bag, and then I'm going through the 2 drawers worth of stuff that are on top of the desk, and I'm throwing stuff that I don't need away. I'm putting stuff that I keep in a separate pile where I'll file that stuff, and then the other stuff I'll just reorganize in just a second. So I do place my markers, Sharpies, pens, pencils. I have a small black drawer that I just place in the closet because I don't need all those. So I just have a few that's on my desk, and then once those run out, I just replace them. So now that I've pretty much organized everything, I'm going to take everything off the desk and clean, detail clean the desk, because Eleni did scratch up the desk a little bit, so you see it there. So I'm just going to take a magic eraser and clean that really quick.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and
so now I'm just going to wipe down the drawers, the two drawers that are connected with the desk, and I'm just using my glass cleaner. I just did an extreme cleaning motivation video if you want to check that out, where I use the Jaws cleaner, and they've been working super great, so that's what I'm using here.
I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face.
So now I'm placing everything back into my drawer. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm putting in the bottom drawer. I'm just putting the books that I use every single day back in there. I do have a couple other storage bins that I use. So the first notebook I have in my drawer is my YouTube planner. So I purchased that through Etsy. It's great, so you just have to print it out. It comes in as a PDF. And then I have my budget notebook for all of our billing. I have my journal. I have my planner that I purchased from Target, and that journal I purchased from Target as well. And then I have, that's just a binder that I use like to write down different things, ideas that I have coming up, or different projects for the house, just to keep all those ideas written down. So the next thing I'm going to do is organize that top drawer with all my different supplies, and I purchased that container from Home Goods, and I'm super proud of myself because I actually didn't get white or neutral color. I actually got teal, so you guys should be super proud of me. So I'm going to place that into the drawer, and then I'll separate all my different supplies and put them in there.
But not anymore, 'cause you forgot about us. All you wanna do is fight, bringing me down every night. Yeah, I think that I'd rather be alone.
I have always been super obsessed with buying notebooks, so I saw that notebook, the Follow Your Dreams notebook, in Home Goods when I went and purchased the organizer, so I had to get that. I thought maybe I could use that instead of using sticky notes all the time and having them all over the desk. I'll just put all my notes down in that notebook, and then that can be a great purpose, and not having to use those sticky notes to place all over the desk.
Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore. Wasting my time trying to get you to give me, 'cause you don't want to. Yeah, get my point of view. I wonder where it all went wrong.
So the next thing I did was purchase a carpet. I was super excited. I seen that at Ross for only $26, so I was like, why not? That'll definitely add to the desk, just because I don't have anything on the wall, any type of decor hanging above the desk. So I was like, that'll just give it an extra little homey feeling. So I'm going to put that carpet under there, and let's just see how that looks.
Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Want your love, nah, nah. Not anymore, 'cause I don't even want your love, nah, nah. Want your love,
I definitely like how it turned out. I was sort of worried about the size, but it seems like the size works perfect. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do I need the carpet? Do I need the rug, or do I need to place it somewhere else? So just want to take you guys on a tour of my desk. I have binder clips, highlighters, paper clips. I also have staples, and then I have some cards on the bottom that are super important that I don't keep in my wallet. Then I have my flash drives, and then I also have tape along with the pencil sharpener in there, and I have some whiteout and a staple remover. On the other side, I keep my laptop charger, my phone charger, along with some extra change that I just keep in there. Then in the second drawer, I just keep all of my notebooks that I just went through. So I just keep all those in there, so that way whichever one I need, I'll just pull it out. So on the top of my desk, I keep it very simple and minimum. Of course, I have that white cup I purchased from the dollar spot at Target, and then enjoy the little thing sign. I'm pretty sure that was at Ross or either Marshall's. I'm not 100% sure. Then I purchased this organizer from Target, so my iPad is in there, along with my weekly planner sheet for YouTube, my laptop. That's my carry laptop, and then I have my scissors and my pens. I don't know about if you guys have heard of this. This is a Papermate brand type pen, but they come in all different sorts of colors, and they have a really fine point. They are great, especially if you want to use it for your planner and you want to color coordinate all the different things you have to do. I would definitely recommend getting those. Those are super fun to have when you're planning things in your planner, or either writing in your journal. So here's the final look of everything. I'm super excited how everything turned out. Everything looks super organized and minimum, so that way all I have to do is pull out anything that I need to use, and I know exactly where it's at. So like at the top, I have all my different supplies that I'll need, and then at the bottom, of course, I have all my notebooks, so I just pull that out whenever I need to use one of those notebooks. Let me know what you guys think of this before and after. Do I need to add something on the wall, or does the carpet do just fine? So just let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Please subscribe if you want to join our small family here. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.